What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some more Roblox. Today we're going to be playing Flood Escape 2.
The camera's right there.
So, today we're going to be playing Flood Escape 2. I am here with my brother. He has his own channel. Check it out. It is Savage Studios.
Studio.
It's a Savage Studio. Studio. So today we're playing some Flood Escape. Let's get right in.
Can you guys check my channel?
Yeah, link in the description if you want to check it out.
Wait, you're actually leaving stuff in the description?
Yeah. And also, if you want to check out this game, link in the description. And if you see my account, link also in the description. We have to wait. And we're waiting. And we're waiting. And we're waiting. And we're waiting. Well, I'm just jumping.
Soundtrack on right now.
Dun 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 dun. I'm a secret agent man. He's on a mission to save the queen.
Yeah, guys. I don't know if he said it in the intro, but we're gonna be doing challenges for you guys. We're not gonna be doing the stupid stuff that other people do. We're gonna be doing other challenges. We got it all situated out. Now we are gonna do it. So what we're gonna do is we're not gonna do the other challenges. We know that Flood Escape is challenge, but we are gonna do harder challenges. Basically, just more parkour. I know this is parkour, but we're gonna do it even more harder. Let's get into this.
Alright, here we go. First round of the day is gonna be me first, and it's gonna be my brother's turn, and then we're gonna switch back and forth.
Basically, I suck at this, so.
Yeah, he hasn't played this game. Oh, that guy's gonna get the butt. Okay.
I mean, I played, but
yeah, he has played this game before, but
I suck.
He's playing it on iPod.
And iPod version sucks.
Exactly. Because you're poor.
I'm still level 1.
Yeah, I'm on level 10.
You're 9 levels ahead of me.
Dun 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 dun.
How many subscribers do you have?
2. I actually got my second one not too long ago, which I'm very happy about. And yeah. So I plan to have a lot more subscribers in the future. Whoa, nearly fell in that crack.
Hey, you want to do challenges?
Special dance!
Basically, we're going to do challenges. I already told you at the beginning of the video, but maybe we can do this even more. We can do this even more. When did you start?
You don't see me meditating.
When did you start YouTube?
I started about a month.
Not a month. You just started a couple weeks ago.
Yeah.
Guys,
here we go.
I just hit 500 views and all. Guys, look at my videos.
They're awesome.
They're really good. I just posted a music video, but it's actually just me reacting or singing along to
what the heck?
Gucci Gang or something like that. I forget which one it was. It was Rockstar. Go check it out.
How did I miss that?
Guys, I might do a video on his channel. He might be starting vlogs too, just like I do. Yeah. So go check my channel out again.
Alright, so far we're not doing too good. We're doing great.
Yeah, you're the first one, right? No, you're the last one.
No, I'm not. There's many other people, and hopefully someone's gone to get that button. Okay, no one has. What the heck, people? Alright, come on. Come on, I feel like I'm the only person. Oh, I just nearly fell into carbon dioxide water.
It's not carbon dioxide water.
I know. But I think I won. Yeah. Here's the safe zone. Alright, you wanna try?
I'm probably gonna be like really bad at this.
Alright.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, my brother's gonna try.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna try.
You already started.
Oh. Okay. Where do I go? Do I go
Wow. Here? Yeah.
No, I don't go in here.
You don't. Wow.
So. Okay. Oh God. Okay.
You're in carbon dioxide. And you lost. You're
I
horrible.
told you guys, I stink at this game.
Wow. And that was normal mode. Wow. What a disappointment you are. And it's true.
I'll be right back. I gotta go get some pants on. I have no pants on.
Don't know why you would tell. Whatever. So anyways, guys, check out my brother's channel. He is amazing at YouTube. And somehow he was able to fail horrible. Let's go look at game. Oh, looks like this guy survived. Congrats to... I can't even read your name because you're doing too many flips for me. Congrats to Fan Choice. I'm correct. Not me. Alright. So my brother's back. Alright, here we go. We're about to go into the next round. Here we go. And this is normal. Let's do this. Alright, hopefully someone's gonna... Are you kidding me? Oh. These people are horrible. They don't even know how to play. Oh, thank God, someone...
The next one, can we do a different one? The next one? The next challenge one we do?
What? Shit, oh. Oh, come on. Everyone's about to die. And I bet.
God, that guy over there!
He's level 30? No way. No. Nuh-uh. No. No.
What the?
No.
What the?
What the heck was that all about? Is that rage of you?
What the?
I think my brother's having crazy reaction.
This guy is like... What the heck? Hey guys, how you doing? Hi.
Get out of the camera.
Yeah, I'll see you later.
Bye, Toad. Alright, here we go. Next round. Here we go. Hey guys, if you're a big fan of Star Wars, comment it down below. If you are, because I am.
Guys, the Star Wars The Last Jedi is coming out on digital soon, because it's been out like for 2 months now, so yeah.
I forgot to tell you guys. That's link in the description if you want to see the trailer. But yeah.
You're actually gonna search up all of that?
Yeah. Why not? If the fans want to see it, I'll give it to them.
Oh, and more videos come. He'll probably just record that. We might be doing
There's actually a way that guys. There's actually a way I could glitch the game.
we might, guys, smash 255 likes.
How am I?
255. Or 500. 500, right? 500? Say 500.
Oh look, I'm
Okay.
in carbon dioxide.
500 likes. 500. No.
Oh god,
No,
no.
1,000.
Oh, this is insane. Oh god, I need full attention.
1,000 likes. Guys, smash that like button. 1,000 likes. And we will do the VR game.
What the heck is
1,000 likes. And we will do VR.
What the heck is
For you guys. On PS4, we will do VR.
I don't even have a mic.
Well, you're getting one if they smash 1,000 subscribers.
How in the world do you do that? Because I don't. That's insane if like anyone
He
could do
is.
that.
I think he's doing it on hard though.
No, it's insane.
Oh.
How far have people gone?
That guy's level.
Oh, level 30. Congrats.
Did you just start another one?
How in the world does this guy beat it, and he's only level 1? What? This guy is pro. This guy's freaking pro. How?
How? I'm just saying that. You're gonna die. How old is that guy with the white hair? Oh god, you're gonna die.
I'm gonna die.
You're by a fan blade. A metal fan blade. I know this is Roblox, but like, really.
Oh god, I'm in carbon dioxide. Ah! I'm gonna die!
At least I got 2 coins on the last one.
Oh my god.
Wait, it's my turn.
Yeah, you.
Let's go, guys. I can do this.
Oh,
Smash that like button again.
one of my friends are in the game.
Who?
7 people survived.
Who's that?
I don't know. Someone random. Okay, you're home. Get off of me.
No, I'm doing it again.
No.
Doing it again. No,
You lost.
doing it again.
You lost. Stop. This is my mic.
It's not your mic.
Yeah, it is. It has a wireless mic. Telling you the truth, it has a wireless mic, actually.
Well, guys, I'm kind of crazy.
Yeah, I could tell. Viewers might be able to tell.
Yeah.
Alright. Come on, next level. And we're waiting. We're still waiting.
Waiting again.
Dun 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 dun. What in the world are you doing? Dun 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 dun.
Oh, we're starting. Oh no, we're not. Landed it.
I think we're starting in 3 seconds. Okay, we're starting. We're starting. 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go.
Oh, we're starting.
It's about time.
Sorry, guys. I get a voice.
Uh-huh.
No, but really, I have hype videos, so you really should go check out my channel.
Are you kidding me?
What?
No one's going. Oh. Well, we're all dead.
How are you supposed to survive that?
Somehow.
Guys, I will be right back.
Really? Alright, here we go. Oh, it's this one. Alright, come on, come on, come on. Come on, we got this. We still got this. Come on, we got this in the bag. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. No! How do you do that? Alright, come on. Please be an easy. Come on, be an easy one. Please. That's all I ask. Alright, oh wow. One person survived. Wow, that's just insane. Oh, it's this one. No, I'm not even gonna go for that extra I'm not even gonna go for it. You could go for it. Not me. I'm staying. Open. Thank you.
Alright guys, I am back. Again, how do you like to watch? Michael's got one too.
I think they just added a new map.
Good.
They've added a new map. Whoa.
Yeah. Oh, that looks like
This is
technical.
this is a new map.
That looks like it's really technical.
I think. This guy is really good. And he just started. If I'm correct. Because he was at level 1 when I saw him. This guy's a master.
He's probably really good. He just probably started a new.
He survived! No way!
He's probably like.
He's like a monster at this game.
Probably what he did was, he probably was a master, like he was a really good level.
And then he probably
Created a new count. And then started all over again. I
Maybe.
guess.
Could be. Oh dang it. Ah! Bubba.
Ba-boom. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-boom. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-boo.
Run, 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 run. Run, jump, run. Jump. No! 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 The guy that's a master, he died. Oh wait, no he didn't. Where is he? Oh, wrong person. Name is something with N. Look at this guy!
Oh my god.
This guy is he's amazing at this. Where can I find the shop? Skins.
It's almost 10 o'clock. Oh, wait, no. It's almost 10 o'clock.
But I'm gonna leave off this episode here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe,
And turn on the notifications, guys. Smash it.
the like button.
Smash that like button, guys. And I want to get my brother up to 1,000 views in total. Guys, smash that like button.
And I'll see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe
To my channel.
to his channel.
Thanks.